Omukushaba koma ko kubira hari enshenyu parish Omusinga town council mu district ya Kasese, His Majesty Charles wiziremu mbere y'irema ngoma ori Omusinga wa Rwenzururu no hashabira abantu kwaba kushabirana ekirize kumaraho ibintu byo kushisha obusinge omu Rwenzori.
Ebitsibu tubisabire byende manyeni ADF tusabire na yivulerane kundisiya buremu bokubanza bamabeteri byo mucyoke wabya iwabulerane na yivulerane manyali abantu baba bakolesha plan sia bushirira into group to kita abantu.
As we talk about education, we can only achieve this yamama na tata ibana hamba nebuke bwakubako.
Christine Muhindo uri umuhabuzi wa mukuru w'ihanga wa Rwenzori region washabira Omusinga wa Rwenzururu omukama wa Toro hamwe n'omudinginya wa Bwamba kuba kwatanisiza hamwe.
This peace and unity, and I believe the kingdoms will bring peace and unity in the whole of Rwenzori. As a leader in the Rwenzori region and an advisor of the president on the Rwenzori affairs.
Now the rebranding which we are talking about, we are looking for reconciliation where the different tribes which live here have conflicted.
Talking of rebranding the Omusinga, but we must build on the foundation of God.
Of course, this is January and children are going back to school. Without education, everyone knows that without education, nothing can happen.
Gashakwa Gilbert Muhanguzi.